Hello and welcome to our CoCredo tutorial on how to reset your password. To begin with, you need to go to cocredo.co.uk and go to the blue sign in button at the top of the page. This will take you through to the sign in page. Here you will be asked to input your login credentials before you click login. If you have forgotten your password, please click on Forgot Your Password. Scroll down and type in your company name and username, if they haven't already been automatically filled in. Then click Reset Password. A yellow box will appear telling you to check your account email address. This will generate an email to the account holder's email address that looks like this. Here you'll see a new temporary password that has been assigned to you. Please make a note of this, as you will need to enter it manually. You then need to go back to the sign-in page, remove the old password, and manually enter the new password you have been sent. And click the Login button. This will take you through to the Update Account page, where you can create a new password. You will need to remove the current password, type a new one, and confirm this again in the box below. Once you have done this, click Update, and this will take you through to the dashboard. You are now ready to run your reports.